Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'll show you the steps to get started on the Facebook Stars monetization. So, like 5 days ago, I checked the insights area here and I saw that the Facebook Stars is now showing in my account. So I click on the stars and then it says here that I am now eligible to earn money through the uh, Facebook stars. Earn money on your videos. Your page Simply AlRitch is invited to use stars, a new video monetization tool that we're offering to a select group of creators. So I get really excited upon learning that I can now earn money through Facebook stars whenever I go live stream, because some of my friends, YouTuber friends, I can see that they have now this feature, or the Facebook stars feature on their account. So I was like checking it from time to time when I learned that they are now also earning. They were earning ahead of me, or yeah. So let's do this. I have actually tried it, but I stopped on the tax part. So we will do it again. I will click on the get started. Okay. Click on that button. So I have inputted previously. First, it will ask you your info, date of birth. So what are stars? Stars are virtual good that let you monetize your content through support from your community. People will be able to send stars to you, and Meta will pay you for the stars you receive. Onboard to stars and post will stars every by July to win. Okay, so it says here when you onboard to stars, okay, you'll get they have like a competition or promo. So we'll try this. I'm going to screenshot this one. Yeah, I can review the video, so it's fine. So this is the example video, guys. So when your viewers are happy with your content, and they can send virtual gifts or through the stars or money through you. That okay? Onboard stars, post a video. Okay, cool. As you can see here, guys, the Aloysian YouTubers is also eligible to earn money through the Facebook star. So I'm going to set it up maybe in the next day. Let's start with Simply AlRitch. For this example, so I'm going to select Simply AlRitch, then click on the next button. So I have inputted already my my name, date of birth, and country. As I've mentioned before that I have tried doing the steps. If for example you made a mistake, you can just click on this edit, for example, then when you have any changes, then click on the same. Okay, then make sure that you have agreed to the terms. Yeah, click on that one, agree to terms. So it says here completed. Set up account, optional. It actually says optional, so like you can do this later. I believe. Provide your business info and connect a bank account to receive payments. You can earn up to $500. That's a YouTube money. Or wait up to 6 months. Okay, you can actually like hold it before completing this step. Okay, let's set up an account. I'm sorry. Then click on next. So create new payout account. So I'm going to choose Philippines as my country. Yes, because I'm from the Philippines. And business type, yeah, I'm an individual, so I don't have this is not like a company or business. So Alma Richel. Okay, I'm not just going to put my middle name there. My address is my home address actually. This is my home office. Work and home office. Okay. I'm from Davao City. And make sure to prepare your tax ID number. You have to get your tax ID. Put your tax ID. Then click on next, then date of birth. Okay, so you can scroll from left to right, but it's like this is 1994, so I need to scroll or move it, click on this one, so you can just type it there actually. It will be faster than clicking it and finding the appropriate year for you or the month. Okay, I'm going to type in again my address. Okay, then input the province. I'm from Davao. Okay, Davao. Postal code, then your email address. Okay, make sure it's a valid email address. Okay, click on next. Now you are going, it says your payout method is the account where your earnings are paid. Manually link a bank account. So it says here no fees, but PayPal may include fees. So I think will choose the bank account because it doesn't have fees. Okay, the account name. Then my bank is Union Bank. Okay, you can just search, go to Google, then Union Bank Swift code. Okay, I have like a history here. Then just copy the bank code, then I'm sorry, paste it, Swift number. So that is the Swift code. Okay, make sure to remove the space and then link bank. Now we're going to go to the so this is the part where I stopped, guys. So upload your tax form. By law, Facebook must collect tax information for anyone receiving payment. So I was like looking for the W-8BEN form, but actually you can just click on this link and it will automatically download the tax form. Click on follow link. Okay, so I have here, I have downloaded the first one already. So for this example, I'm going to show you how to fill out this form. Okay, it's taking a bit time. Let's just go directly to the downloads. You can go to is it showing here? Okay, here guys. Okay, so this is the form. So for me, it opens in my Edge browser. So you can just type in here. So click on the add text. So for example, the name. So type in your name. Let's say Juan de la Cruz is like the representation. Country of citizenship. Okay, Filipino. You can actually move this like that one. Select, or you can change the color. For example, red, like that. So for this, let's just choose the blue. Then the address. So I'm just going to write testing address, right? Then this city. So from where are you? Davao City, like that. It should be the complete. Then the country. So we are from the Philippines. Okay, mailing address. So if different from above, so I have the same address, so I'm not going to fill that out. Then since we are residing here in the Philippines, so we need to fill out the TIN. So input your TIN number here. Okay, then your date of birth. So it should start from the month. For example, 05/30, then 1986. So for example, then claim your tax treaty benefits. Okay, so this is for content creators that are outside the US. So you can is a resident of Philippines. Okay, type in your Philippines. Then certification. Okay, where is that? You can click draw here. You can check that one. Then type in. Click on the add text. Then type in your name, Juan de la Cruz. Then you can, for example, you made a mistake, you can also delete, then add again, add text. Okay, Juan de la Cruz. Then signature, you can draw. Click on the draw, then signature. For example, that is your signature. Okay, that one. Then make sure to, if for example you are not satisfied with this signature because it is not close to your actual signature, or if you are having a hard time like signing it, you can just erase this one, then draw again. Some like they print their this paper and then scan it, so it's better if you print this paper and then fill it up using your actual ball pen, then scan it. You can scan, then upload the file to in the Facebook. Okay, so make sure to add the date where you submitted the info, like today. It's what is the format here? Month 06, 19, and 2022. 06, 19, and 20. Okay, like that one, guys. So it's all good now. Then make sure to click on save to apply the changes, and then once you're done, okay, let's go back here. Let's go back to the Facebook. Okay, where is it? Okay, creator. So I have filled out the form already. I'm just going to browse the file that I have filled out. So this one, W-8BEN. Okay, click on next. So I'm done. If need to change, you can edit your payout. If you need to make changes later, you can edit your payout after. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's all good. Submit for review. Oh my gosh, it's showing. Thanks for submitting your application to start earning with stars. Introduce your followers. The 8 content. Okay guys, now that we have submitted our info on the Facebook stars, if you go to the stars, you can now see okay, hang on. You can now see all the the details of your earnings. So I went live already. I think when was that? And then you will see how much have you earned. So that's an example. In here you can see the star goals. So this is the goals, like I added a goal to, which is help me reach 5,000 stars. This is like the default goal, so you can use that one, or you can add a new star goals. Then settings, like you can set how many stars can they send. So the minimum is 10 stars. You can customize the message that they will see on your video. Like if you want to change this one, send stars to support Simply AlRitch, like your thank you message to them, you can also customize that one. And every time you go live, this is like the default message. During this broadcast, you can support my page by sending stars, a digital gift that helps me earn money. So I added, like, you can also send your love gifts through GCash or through my PayPal, Simply AlRitch. So you can customize that one. I will show you an example video. So I thought like we can only receive stars when we go live, but actually even it's like a new video, you can start earning with your new video. So but it won't apply for the past videos. I will show you an example. So that's why I started editing some of my old videos and uploading them to Facebook. So this is an example of my old cover song, and so I edited this one and also this. So okay, I will show you. Let me show you if you can see the stars. When you are viewing from your laptop or desktop computer, it won't show. I will just give you a screenshot from mobile. Okay, let me go here. Let's just go here to the timeline feed. Okay, so for example, this is like just a video, like a Facebook reminder that Facebook remind me to thank my top star senders, and then Win Garage TV sent me 200 stars. And this one I also tested my own video, like I edited this one, so I sent off 48 stars. And then what else? I think I have 4 videos that this one you can filter it, sent with stars. I think this is my second. Oh, okay. Nestle sent me 75 stars here. So, and this is the pin message, pin comment that you will see. So, this one is like the default message. I haven't used the new one, the updated. So, in my future live stream, it will now show. Okay, I'm going to show another one. The first broadcast that I have. So this is the stars. Okay, you can filter. Oh, okay. For new video uploaded, you can earn money with the stars, but for the old ones, it won't apply. So you really need like, if you want those old videos to make money, you will need to upload it or perhaps edit it. Okay. So these are the stars. Thank you so much to Joy Cabarigada, Brilliant Shine, and Win Garage TV and Nestle for sending those stars to me. I'm really happy, excited to receive it. Yeah, this is the I think this is like the first broadcast that I have after I learned that I now have a Facebook stars in my, I can now earn money through Facebook stars. Thank you so much to Sincerely M and Nestle Delina. So that's it, guys. Good luck on your money making or your creating content, and I hope soon you will have Facebook stars also on your Facebook pages. Just keep going and don't be discouraged. Okay, thank you so much for all the support, for all the star senders, and for all my viewers and subscribers. Bye.